Hey everyone, welcome back to Flower and Garden Friday. This week we're headed to the Canada Pavilion to make their maple popcorn shake. Their maple popcorn in general is amazing, but for Flower and Garden they make this maple vanilla shake topped with the crispy maple popcorn, and they even add a little something extra at the end if you want, so be sure to stick around and see what that is. So in a small saucepan I have a half a cup of maple syrup on the stove, and I'm just adding a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract into that, and we're just going to let it come to a boil and reduce a little bit. Then I have 1 bag of popcorn popped, it's about 4 cups, and I'm just drizzling the maple syrup on top. And then we're going to spread it in a pan and let it cool. It's just so easy and so delicious. Now if you want, you could just stop here and enjoy the popcorn as is, or we can continue on and make this shake. So I have a 1/4 cup of maple syrup that I'm adding to a blender. And then I have a pint of vanilla ice cream, it's about 2 cups. Then I'm adding in a half a cup of milk, and we are just going to blend this up. Okay, so we're just going to pour this into a couple of glasses, add our maple popcorn on top, and then there's also an option at this booth to do a maple whiskey shake, and they put a floater of whiskey on top, which is also very delicious, but depends on what you like. Well, I know this was a quick and simple recipe to make, but it is one of our favorites at Flower and Garden, and I wanted to share it with you all, so I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to like this video, it really does help my channel, and subscribe if you want to see more Disney recipes in the future. Thanks for watching, bye!